Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add fingerprint to your Samsung phone. If you are using a Samsung phone and you want to add a fingerprint to your phone, so let's see how can do that. So if your phone have a fingerprint sensor, it might be sometime in this section or sometime in back section. As in some phones, you might get in this section here. So once your phone gets a fingerprint sensor, you have to go ahead to your settings. Scroll down, look for security and privacy, and here click on lock screen, and you must see fingerprint here. Or if you can't find it, so you can go to search. Here to search for fingerprints, you might get fingerprint option. Just click on here, it will open your fingerprint settings. So the very first thing, if you haven't set it up any password, any pin or any pattern for your lock screen, so first you have to set it up. So let's say I'm gonna add a pin and fingerprint. I'm going to add almost 60 as my pin just for this video. Just click on continue here. You can use anyway, and I'm going to re-enter my pin here. Click OK. Once it's done, you can select your notification type. It might be dot on your upper section or this section here like this. It might be icons. These are the icons, or you can also select cards. I'm going to select cards, then click done, then click on continue, and click on continue again, then click on register. Now you just have to put your finger on your fingerprint sensor and just complete this process. So once you completed the process, you might see a this type interface. If you want to add another fingerprint or if you want to continue, I'm gonna click on this done option, and from here how to test your fingerprint. Just place your fingerprint on the sensor and then click on done. Now your fingerprint has been successfully set it to your lock screen and also for your app privacy. You can either use fingerprint to unlock your phone or unlock your apps if you have added any privacy to your apps. So in this way, you can easily add fingerprint to your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.